Kate here with WTI, and I want to share this beautiful set of cushion covers from Wycole. So this one is in gray. It's got such a nice stripe on it. It goes in both directions. It's a medium toned gray, super neutral, so it can go with absolutely any style, any color. I've paired this with this nice dark green or with my camel colored leather. I also have some rust colored cushions that these complement so well. So it really doesn't matter where you use them. It's gonna look really good. So this size I have is the 16 by 16. It's a nice fit on my cushions. I also love the zipper. It's a hidden zipper. You can't see it when it's closed. It hides away, but when you do open it up, it's nice and wide, so it's easy to put your cushion inside. It's got such a nice feeling. The material feels super high quality. It's not see-through or thin or anything. It's a cream color, so a little bit of an off-white. It washes up great. So if you're looking to update the look of your living room, your cushions, you want something different, I think you'll really love this one, and that's my point of view.